Hello, and welcome to Brain Blast Battle. Today, we are going to imagine what would happen to the Earth and people if the electricity was suddenly lost for a year. Sounds crazy, right? But what if it actually happened? How would we survive without our phones, computers, lights, refrigerators, and all the other devices that we depend on every day? Let's find out. First of all, we need to understand what causes electricity and how it works. Electricity is the flow of electrons, which are tiny particles that make up atoms. Electrons can move from one atom to another, creating an electric current. This current can be used to power different machines and devices, such as generators, transformers, wires, batteries, and so on. Electricity can also be produced from various sources, such as fossil fuels, nuclear energy, solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectricity, and more. Now, imagine that one day, all these sources of electricity suddenly stopped working. Maybe it was due to a massive solar storm, a cyber attack, a terrorist strike, or a natural disaster. Whatever the reason, the result would be the same: a global blackout. No more lights, no more internet, no more TV, no more communication, no more transportation, no more civilization as we know it. What would happen next? Well, the immediate effects would be chaos and panic. People would be confused, scared, and angry. They would try to find out what was going on, but they would have no access to any information. They would try to contact their loved ones, but they would have no means of communication. They would try to get to a safe place, but they would have no transportation. They would be trapped in their homes, offices, schools, hospitals, or wherever they were when the blackout occurred. The first few hours or days would be the most critical. Many people would die or get injured due to accidents, fires, explosions, or violence. Many people would also suffer from health problems, such as heart attacks, strokes, asthma attacks, or infections. Many people would also lose access to essential services, such as water, food, medicine, or security. Many people would also face extreme weather conditions, such as heat, cold, rain, or snow. The longer the blackout lasted, the worse the situation would get. After a week or a month, most of the food in the supermarkets, restaurants, and homes would spoil or run out. People would have to resort to hunting, fishing, farming, or scavenging for food. However, this would not be easy, as many animals and plants would also die or disappear due to the lack of electricity. People would also have to deal with hunger, thirst, malnutrition, and disease. After a few months or a year, most of the population would be wiped out. Only a few survivors would remain, living in isolated communities or groups. They would have to adapt to a new way of life, without any modern technology or conveniences. They would have to rely on their skills, knowledge, and resources to survive. They would have to face many challenges, such as predators, raiders, conflicts, or natural disasters. So, as you can see, losing electricity for a year would be a nightmare scenario for the Earth and people. It would be a disaster of epic proportions that would change the world forever. It would be a test of our resilience, our creativity, and our humanity. It would be a brain blast battle that we would hope to never face. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment below. What do you think would happen if the electricity was suddenly lost for a year? What would you do to survive? How would you cope with the challenges? We would love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Until next time, stay curious, stay smart, and stay safe. This is Brain Blast Battle, signing off.